bicycle. Fit in like summer in an icicle. Don't fight it, just be an original. Nobody's making history by being like everyone else they see. So why would I be anyone but me?